Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Graduate. If it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel below and let's get started. So today we'll be speaking about grades. Do you really need high grades to get your first job? Or can you get a good job with average grades? To address this question, I want you to think about employability as a whole. What makes you employable? What is it that employers look for in a candidate or graduate? Of course, there's a range of skills like soft skills, hard skills, good grades, extracurricular activities, volunteering, good LinkedIn presence, technical skills if the role requires that. There is a lot that goes into getting your first job. So getting good grades is only one of many factors that help you to get that job. So you shouldn't really focus on your grades as your main selling point. Why am I saying that? I'm getting a lot of graduates who think that because they don't have the highest grades, they're not employable. That's simply not true. The only two people that really care about your grades are your parents and you after your parents tell you. Reality is employers very rarely, very few instances will ask to see your grades. They focus more about how you sell yourself in the interview, how confident are you in the skills, your willingness to learn, your attitude, and so on. Of course, very specific companies in consulting and big companies might ask you to get really high grades or might ask you for your grades. But the reality is most companies would never ask you for grades. And it's not even a question that comes in the interview. It's really about how you present yourself. Myself, I've had average grades in the past. Not proud of it, I'm just stating the fact. Had average grades in the past and was still able to get good jobs in Big Four companies, in a lot of other organizations. So if you have high grades, of course it's gonna help you, but reality is good grades don't matter as much as you think they do. Thanks for watching today's video, hope you found some value there. Subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you in the next one.